Kapro, the world's most innovative manufacturer of hand tools. Introducing the 995 Vulcan, the new generation in professional box levels. The Vulcan has all the innovative features that professional contractors rely on at a price that works for anyone. The 995 is strong with a reinforced aluminum frame and a unique shape that creates a ledge along the level's profile for an easy grip and better handling. It is designed with 2 finely milled surfaces and 1 V-groove for easy placement on pipes and curved surfaces. This makes the 995 a great choice for plumbing and installation repair. The 995 Vulcan is equipped with 3 epoxy-locked solid acrylic vials, including Kapro's patented Plumb Sight Dual View Vial. The Plumb Sight vial provides a direct view of the vertical vial without the need to twist or bend your neck for side viewing. Place the 995 against any vertical surface and look directly into the Plumb Sight viewer. Easy and accurate readings every time. The 995's horizontal vial is magnified for a clear view of the bubble between the reading lines, even at an arm's length. It has a large, ergonomic biomaterial handle with a comfortable soft feel touch, even for large hands. And Kapro's wall grip feature lets you keep the level against a vertical surface with just one hand without scratching or damaging the wall. The 995 is also available with rare earth magnets for hands-free leveling on metallic surfaces. For accuracy, our vials are the only ones on the market that carry the prestigious VPA accuracy certification of 0.0005 inches per inch or 0.5 millimeters per meter, and they're guaranteed for life. So Kapro's all-new 995 Vulcan is the heavy-duty professional box level that gives you all the features you need, including Plumb Sight Dual View Vial, milled surface with V-groove, reinforced profile, shockproof end caps, ergo grip handle, leading accuracy, and a lifetime warranty at a great price. The 995 Vulcan is the new generation in professional box levels. Be sure to see what other cutting-edge innovations Kapro has to offer at kapro.com. Another innovative solution by Kapro.